Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about verification of commutative property. First of all, what is the meaning of commutative property in maths? This property simply states that with addition and multiplication of numbers, we can change the order of the numbers in the problem and it will not affect the answer. The simple meaning is that कि जब हम एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं नंबर्स का, दैट टाइम अगर हम उनकी ऑर्डर चेंज भी करते हैं तो जो आंसर होता है वो चेंज नहीं होता है, आंसर के ऊपर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, ऑफ दिस कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. द फर्स्ट इज additive identity. When 0 is added to any real number, we get the same number, that is a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a for any real number a. Suppose here, for example, a is equal to 5. Therefore 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, which is equal to 0 plus 5. This is additive identity. Therefore 0 is called additive identity of a. Second rule, additive inverse. The number which when added to the given number gives the result as 0 is called additive inverse to the given number. That is a plus a inverse is equal to a inverse plus a is equal to 0. Therefore a inverse is called additive inverse of a. Additive inverse for a real number a is minus a. Suppose for example a is 4. Then 4, the additive inverse of 4 is minus 4. Therefore 4 plus of minus 4 is equal to minus, plus becomes minus. So 4 minus 4 is 0, which is equal to minus 4 plus 4. So this is additive inverse. Third rule, multiplicative identity. When 1 is multiplied by any real number, we get the same number, that is a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Therefore 1 is called multiplicative identity of a. For example, suppose here a is equal to 7, then 7 into 1 is equal to 7, which is equal to 1 into 7. So this is multiplicative identity. Then multiplicative inverse, the number which when multiplied to given number gives the result as 1 is called the multiplicative inverse of the given number. That is a into a inverse is equal to a inverse into a is equal to 1. A is called multiplicative inverse of a. A inverse is called multiplicative inverse of a. Multiplicative inverse is same as reciprocal of a number, that is a inverse is equal to 1 upon a. Suppose a is equal to 5. So multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 upon 5. Then 5 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 5 get cancelled 1, which is equal to 1 upon 5 into 5. This is multiplicative inverse. Next rule, associative rule. For any three integers a, b and c, the rule is defined as a plus b plus c is equal to a plus in bracket b plus c, or a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. For example, suppose here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Then a plus b, that is 2 plus 3 is 5 plus c 4, 2 plus 7. 5 plus 4 is 9, which is equal to 2 plus 7, that is 9. So this is associative rule. And last is distributive rule. For any three integers a, b and c, the rule is defined as a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Suppose a is 2, b is 3 and c is 4, which is equal to 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. After simplification, we get 14 is equal to 14. So this is distributive rule. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.